So, you must be asking yourself, what is an ecological footprint? Well, buddy, I got an answer for you. An ecological footprint is essentially the impact of a person or community on the environment, and the amount of earthly resources required to support their lifestyle. Understand? Alright, cool. So again, you might be asking yourself, why does any of this matter? Well, if we don't keep our fat ecological footprint small, then our Earth will have a higher chance of running out of its precious resources. Alrighty then. Here are 10 epic ways you can reduce your footprint size. Instead of using plastic water bottles for your delicious beverages, use a Coolio non-disposable water bottle that you can carry around. Recycle anything that can be recycled so that waste doesn't pile up. Things to recycle include, but are not limited to, papers, cans, plastic water bottles, cardboard, foam cups, and many more. Have a bin reserved for compost to make sure that no food goes to waste. Go to farmers markets for your daily grocery shopping because most grocery stores use less environmental friendly materials. Try to avoid using your car for your daily commute. For instance, walking, biking, and using transportation can really reduce the amount of the fossil fuel use. Or just buy an electric car if you're like really rich. Try turning off anything that's using electricity that you're not using to conserve power. Try reducing the amount of meat in your diet to reduce the animal slaughtering. And it's a double whammy because slaughterhouses use a lot of fossil fuels. When brushing your good old pearly whites, make sure you turn the faucet off to save some water. Then you can turn it back on when you rinse your mouth. Line dry your clothes. And I know, it sounds cray, but dryers use a lot of energy. So by line drawing them, it can save more energy. And finally, plant a garden. Give the earth some more oxygen. Simple. So, to conclude, recycle, avoid using fossil fuels, don't waste energy, and just be mindful of your environment. But doing this as one person helps slowly, one at a time. If we could spread these tips to more people, then our ecological footprint can slowly become smaller and smaller. Alright guys, thanks for watching.